Hello friends, welcome to you on Daily IAS. Friends, today is day 52 of my preparation and total 317 days are remaining for my target, that is UPSC CSE 2024 prelims. So let us see what will be my today's schedule, what I will do today to achieve this goal. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel. Okay, so let us see my today's schedule, but before that let us see what I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. As you can see, this is July 23 and today is 14 July and yesterday was 13 July. So let us see what I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. As you can see in this, friends, yesterday I did this study block very nicely, that is technique learning, and after that I didn't study. So yesterday I didn't study. If you will ask the reason, then reason you can say procrastination, procrastination, and procrastination was the main reason. So today I don't want to repeat the same thing. I want to do something. So yesterday my day was like a holiday. So I achieved only 5% of my yesterday's schedule, but today I want something which I can achieve. Okay, so let us see what I will do today, because these are important things which I didn't complete it yesterday. So my main focus will be to complete the same thing. Okay, so let me just copy it. Today also I will do the same thing, but how can I ensure that I will complete it today? So I will do some changes, like change in terms of content. From this, from 9 to 10 I will do this technique learning. Okay, and then from 11 to 12 I will do sociology unit 7. So whole day basically I will do sociology unit 7, but I will do only half. Okay, sociology unit 7 divided by 2, I will do half of unit 7. Okay, then 9 to 10 is my buffer time. If anything remaining I will do during that time, and 10 to 11 is my call when R&D. So this is my today's schedule. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.